welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another video. This is none other than your skincare routine, y'all. So this isn't the regular routine that clear my skin up, but I'm going to be trying a new product for you all for about a month to see how it actually does on my skin. So this product is actually called Thrive Skin. This is the sponsored video for today. This is actually the skincare bar of soap that I'm going to be using. Actually 4 steps to the way that they have it. So you cleanse your face with the Infinity Daily Detox Purifying Bar. You're going to peel, reduce, and restore your face, y'all. So I am going to get started. Definitely go check them out in the description bar below. Tell them that Briana Marie sent you. And let's get into this skin routine. The soap is like an Infinity bar, y'all. I hope that this soap works. It actually smells really good. Here, like, this is how my face, this is the current situation of my face, y'all. So this is how my face looks. Y'all can see it. Decent. It's gonna look better, way better than before. So I actually love to rinse my face with hot water. They're just going to basically open up my pores so that the soap can actually activate and get into the skin. Still semi-wet, not like that, but I do like to go in like a soapy face, y'all. I like my face to get soapy. So I actually love when the bar of soap, the little bump coming. Please don't come. So I actually feel a bump coming. Hopefully it goes down, but I like to massage my face, y'all. I love when the soap is soapy like this. Like, I don't like a soap that's like, you try to get it to be soapy and it's not soapy. Like, it's just like, look at this. Just exactly the same stuff that I'm doing is exactly what I do with my regular routine. You know, it's just different products, that's all. I want to take my exfoliator. This is actually for the pores so that everything can come out the pores. This is basically, I have a daily wash and a pore cleanser. This is my Mia 2. No, I think I got the Mia 1, I don't know. But it's a Mia spin brush that really helps y'all. Dirt that is like really stubborn to get on my face, especially when I take my makeup off. So I'm going to show you how I take my makeup off too. So with this part, you want to make sure your face is completely dry. The next step is going to be peeling the skin. Now I'm loving how I got my skin like glowing right now. Look at it. You can tell it's clean, like it feels so good. And CBD skincare system basically said that this is designed for all skin types. If you are wondering like, oh, she just put anything on face, no, this is designed for all skin types. I'm down to try anything anyways. So now we're gonna go into the peel, the exfoliating peel. So it's gonna take away the dead skin cells without irritating the skin, y'all. So I'm down for that. You know I love any good peel. This is how it looks. I have the Infinity CBD enzyme peel enriched with CBD oil. What this is telling us to do is use this 35 times a week, okay? Massage until it's done peeling. That's done peeling. I'm going to go into my Thrive Infinity CBD Corrective Serum. Well, before I apply this on my face, you definitely have to rinse the peel off before you do so. So this stuff got my face feeling real good. This is something I can feel me using like day and night. And last but not least, Infinity AM/PM moisturizer. This is definitely a key to good skin. I noticed that after I used the soap that I was using, I'm still using it, but I was really dry after that Cody soap. So I used a moisturizer from Goldbond to basically put moisture back into my skin. Feels good. That's it for the skincare routine. 4 easy steps to do, y'all. Very simple, very easy. Skin feels really good, very clear. All I need to do is basically drink water with the skincare. I think it would actually be really good if I do that to make it more hydrated. My skin more hydrated. Plus water is good. Y'all know I don't like water anyway. But I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to take my makeup off and show y'all how I remove my makeup and also how I use this same skincare again for my night routine. So I'll see you all later. Hey dolls, this is the second part of the Thrive Skin. And I told you all I was going to take my makeup off. And I was going to take it off at night. You know, I'll have the conditioner in my hair, everything ready to go. Fresh face for my makeup. Actually did my makeup, but I did my makeup late and I slept in it. So that's a bad thing. I don't need to sleep in my makeup sometimes. It'll cause like bumps. Will turn into acne marks. So I need to hurry up and get this out of my face. I mean, I did my makeup at, I finished it at like 11 because I started really late. And then I went to go get some stuff. So I didn't fall asleep until like 2 o'clock. So it's 10 o'clock right now. That's like if I would have my makeup on midday or something and then actually fell asleep. So take this off. I usually use Neutrogena wipes, y'all, to wipe my makeup off, but I don't have them at the moment. So I'm gonna use Huggies. Don't use Huggies, y'all. Use Neutrogena wipes. They are really good. Somebody else recommended me these $40 wipes. That's supposed to be really good and I guess supposed to help the skin. So look into those too. I'm gonna give y'all the name of them. I'm gonna leave them in the description. I'm about to take my lashes off and then I push my hair back. Be like, how many wipes you go through, girl? I'm still on my first one. I be putting a lot of makeup on, but I use this one wipe. I like to take one last wipe to secure that everything is off my face before I start washing my face. Don't rub your eye too hard because then it start hurting. So I can see it. Skin looking. But before I washed it. The makeup remover, you're gonna get some cotton pads and rub. I don't have any cotton pads. Some Marcel cleansing water. The steps that I showed you with the Thrive Skin every day and night for 1 month straight to see how your skin is going to react to it and how it clears it up, because I just feel it feels really good. Like it feels really good. Like I could honestly feel my skin being really clean. It's like real squeaky clean. Try that daily routine every day. I'm going to actually show you wash my face. I'm not going to explain because I explained it in the beginning, but I'm going to do it for right now. I'm gonna wash my face again, only because like in the hairline areas, it's not really going. So I'm gonna wash my face again, and then we'll get right into the Peel, Reduce, and Restore. Last but not least, I love to put sleeping collagen on my face, y'all. It's supposed to basically restore, I'm not even know, but I just like to have healthy skin. It's gonna make your face plump. Yeah, I'll still be youthful too, even though I'm younger for y'all, so not that young. I really like Thrive, and I'm gonna use them for a month. I think I'm gonna use them only during the nighttime and use my regular skincare in the morning because I don't know, I just love my Koji soap. That is it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how I do my skincare with Thrive. And don't forget to go check them out in the description right below, and I will see you guys on the next officially updated skincare video on how I got my skin clear.